Pramod Dasturkar here and head corporate relations department in MIT campus Alandi. Now today we have one of our bright students from 2021 batch, Mr. Ishan. Full name Ishan?
My name is Ishan Bharadwaj. My
Okay.
branch is computer science.
That's nice. And he walked into college for completing his formality, taking his mark sheets and all. Now he is fortunate enough to get one of the best dream placement with package of 8 lakhs above,
Yeah.
8 lakhs above
Yeah.
salary in the company called American, one of the biggest rubber companies, Michelin. You might be aware of recently Michelin has launched into India with the best capacity tires, and it has its own software division in Pune, located in Karadi, and he got placed with 8 lakhs package. A very fortunate person from our college computer department. So we'll be knowing details of recruitment process of Michelin, and at the last of video we will be discussing the googly questions. The googly questions
Yes, sir.
fired
Googly
to Mr. Ishan and the answers. Now, welcome Ishan.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best
Thank you.
for your future.
Thank you, sir.
And what preparations you did for the Michelin special preparations?
The preparation started from third year initially. Our college introduced us to MCAT. Mostly companies take the test on such similar platforms. So introduction to MCAT was the first step, like which our TPOs carried. It had different divisions like aptitude and mathematical aptitudes and English questions and stuff like that. After that, we started doing some coding questions which were there on the internet.
Okay.
It's very specific, like small questions with strings manipulation, array manipulation, data structures like that. And specific to Michelin, I made sure I'm very thorough with my resume. And I went to the company's website. I picked up words from their, keywords from their website. See, it's very important to know what you are going for. For a company, you should know its background, its future's perspective, and what the company is actually working on. See, you need not to be very thorough, but make sure you do your homework before attending the interview. But because they're gonna sure shot ask questions like why Michelin or why any other company for that instance. So
What is the pattern of Michelin process?
Yeah. So first they had an aptitude, which is very general aptitude.
General.
Yeah, and CAT will help you for that.
English ज़्यादा pattern?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. English
Because
was
in
the-
American group,
Yeah.
American group like Accenture, they have English, majority of the
Yeah.
English is being covered, and it has to be fast English,
Yeah.
right? Yes.
And then after that, my resume was shortlisted. I got a news from TOP like your resume is shortlisted for further process. After that, I had a technical interview. It lasted around for 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, around 1 hour, like 55 minutes,
Good.
45
Yes.
minutes. Yeah, it was a long interview. So what they asked about, they went through my resume first, and they asked everything out of it. So make sure it's like very important tip. You do not lie in your resume, and you are very confident about what you have written into it. You should know 100% of it. And try to mention things which you have done. See, making resume is a very difficult task for beginners. For us, like it took me around 1 month to finalize what is actually my resume. TPO helped me a lot. We came for constant evaluation and stuff like that. So in the interview, it was like they asked me about my projects first.
Okay.
And it was, see, Michelin, a company that big, they know how to take interviews. They will make you feel comfortable, and then they will ask you questions. So they were very polite for that. Past, I had given 4-5 interviews before also, but companies like Michelin are very different. They make you feel comfortable, so you need not worry. They are there to hire you, so don't panic. Just be sure what you are saying, you know it, and you are not lying. So they asked about my projects. I mentioned 4 major projects, including my final year project. See, learning with MIT is like you have to do projects. So it is very beneficial for these companies. They get to know your hands-on knowledge. Like you have learned everything, where you implement it or where you think of implementing it in future. So I explained all my projects very deeply, like from domain knowledge to future scope. I did that, and after that she asked about random questions, soft skill question, like introduction.
Tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, tell me something about this. That was initially done. It's very common for every company. Then who all are there in your family and stuff like that. Any plans for future studying
That was a googly question.
Googly question again, because they wanted to see your commitment towards the company.
Yes.
So
Any
even
plan for future education, you should say no, I am interested in job.
yeah,
If you see Joe, you should show interest in MS, ME or MBA, you are politely said all the best.
yeah,
Right?
yes.
Good.
So all these things like TPO guides you every time. So after that they asked like one more googly question was there. See they can
Googly question will be taking at the
Okay,
last.
okay.
What is the salary offered?
So it's 8.20 CTC.
8.20.
Yes.
Now, your suggestion for juniors to do what juniors?
So juniors, only my suggestion is you should like explore different things, explore different horizons, do what is minimum required, stay in touch with your TPOs, they guide you throughout the process. Even though the process is very hectic, you need to give MCAT. Like you have professional skills and stuff like that in our college. Enjoy the whole process because it's gonna help you.
That's great.
And like fluency, they don't look for jargons or look for words, but they look like you should be a communicator at least. You should be able to communicate your thoughts, like what you're thinking should be on your mouth in a very polite way.
That's great. Any technical?
So
questions?
technical portion for that, study like data structures, it is very important,
Mm.
and study SQL
Mm.
and normal coding. We have like BTech Guru
Mm.
questions for that in our
Okay.
college. So do that.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. Now, what help you got specially from the department?
From computer department.
Yes.
Just like I mentioned before, we have subjects like professional skills.
Yes.
So it trains you on the soft skill level.
Mm.
BTech, we had BTech Guru, which trained you on the aptitude and other coding levels.
Mm.
College really is working for you, and also they want to get you placed. The process is hectic, yes, you have lots of assignment to do, but ultimately it all pays.
Drill.
Yes.
Rehearse.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Placement coordination के बारे में बताइए. You are placement coordinator,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
How it works?
Like in my third year, I was placement coordinator, so I've been into the process. I've seen it from like I've been coordinating with sir and everyone. So I've seen it from like the nearest side. But anyone who is out of this, TPO really helps you. So it's just like you need to be thorough with your everything, your documents, your CGPAs and everything. Make sure you are working on it because companies have criteria. They cut you off if you don't have a minimum bar. For Michelin, it was 7 CGPA. And 12th and 11th, 60% it should be there, and no live backlogs. Make sure you don't have live backlogs when you are this far in your semester, like 4th year. Make sure you are clear with it, and it's good to go. TP always supports.
That's nice. Now at the end of far end of this video, we will look forward towards the googly questions which were asked to Mr. Ishan and how he answered it, how smartly he answered it and cracked it, right?
Yes.
What was the googly question? What were the googly questions?
The questions which like from my perspective were googly was that first question was a technical round. After everything what happened, at the end she asked like what is your batch size? I was like I was stuck for a moment.
Batch size.
Batch size.
A number of students in the class.
Yeah.
Right?
They generally don't ask us questions. So I answered, ma'am, it's 60 right now. Before like everything, COVID and everything, it was 60, 70, something like that. So she said, what makes you different from rest of the 59 or 79 students? How will Ishan stand out of the crowd? Indirectly, they're asking you what are your strength and weakness.
Yes.
But this is how they put you questions. So you need to be ready for that.
What was your answer?
My answer was like, again, I was prepared. I knew like I've written my strength and weakness and everything. So my answer was Ishan is the one who is a communicator. I can communicate my thoughts really well. Ishan is the one who can really is a very quick learner and adaptive to various technologies. I'm picking these facts from my resume.
Okay.
So if you say something, make sure you have something to back it on. So my resume had like I had done various projects in IoT and so you just you need to direct those points every time.
So it is an art. What Ishan is saying is it is an art to drive interviewer attention into your strength area by putting it in the biodata.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So something about your biodata, what you mentioned.
I mentioned everything.
Yeah.
Like what you have done good in college and it should be mentioned, you should mention it. Like for the projects, everyone mentions your project. Make sure you have an introduction to your project. Like what was it about? Add few keywords like it had like components like AI or ML or something like that. And don't exaggerate. Like if you have done something, then only write. You write less, but you write the quality, because the interviewer knows everything.
Write less, but write quality. Do not write, do not bluff, do not make it a big.
Yeah.
The big takeaway of this interview. Any googly question more?
Yes, one more. One was then, it was a telephonic HR conversation. Out of nowhere, I came home. It was morning. There was no prior
Information that
yeah,
you
they
were
were
going
going
to
to take
take about.
interview. It was a surprise to me. I just picked up the call. He said, "I'm this is from Michelin." So yes, sir. I was expecting they will tell me you have a meeting by 6 p.m. in the night and this is the link and all. But they started the interview. It was very abrupt. So at the end, he just ended the interview with a question: why you chose MIT, and that too MIT AOE, because it is not in the heart of the city. Every guy coming from his home place have an aspiration about college life, living there. So what was your point of view? So see, this is a very rare question and very new one. How I tackled it just stick with the basics, the process you chose your college for. They wanted to know what is your perspective toward things. It is just like that. You need not panic. So I told, sir, MIT AOE specifically was an autonomous institute at that time. And there were only 2 autonomous institutes in Pune.
Got admitted in 2017.
17, yeah, that time. There were VIT and MIT. And I said, sir, MIT had a brand name and a value. And also when I went through their website, they promoted project-based learning, which is again reflected in my resume. I
Great point.
directed them to my resume again. Like, so as you can see in my resume, I've done 4 projects in various fields. So this was it.
So project-based learning, which we have adopted, and we are working rigorously with semester-long internship program, 3 SIPs
Yes,
before SLIP,
Yes.
4 total long internship programs and project-based learning. And we have come up with the capstone project also, year-long project
Yeah.
also with that. So we are getting consulting projects also from the company. We are getting projects from experts, industry experts, and the whole team of the department with the staff is working on various activities. And hackathons, we are conducting lots of activities. We are conducting competition-based hiring. We are conducting InfyTQ. We have a good number. Infosys TQ, we have a good number. TCS NQT, we have a good number.
TCS
Ninja is also we are doing. So lots of activities in MIT AOE is being done. And the good question, the googly question, why MIT AOE? Now MIT campus Anandi, he has answered well and got into Michelin with a salary of say 8.8 lakhs above, is a big time in the pandemic. And I wish all the best. Keep in touch. Do guide our juniors and be in touch with webinars and seminars.
Sure.
Ishan, all the best to Ishan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.